Today, guys, we're doing a little bit of creamy crack. She said she don't want no more. She said she done had enough of now. Had enough of all your life. And my son. Ooh.
So today my client will be getting a virgin relaxer. For convenience and time's sake, it was easier for her to just have a relaxer. You know, her hair was healthy before, as you can see, after the relaxer. Her hair is healthy. And as you can see, I'm applying the relaxer ship on the shaft of the hair first because it's the strongest and it takes the longest to process. And the roots and the ends, they process pretty quickly, so we're going to do those last. I apply my relaxer this way just for time's sake because I want to maximize my time for her relaxer. And as you can see on the bottom shelf, on the bottom box, we've gone ahead and washed her relaxer out. I set on her to dry it for a wrap, just to use it as less heat as possible. And then I blow dried it straight out. And then in the last box, you can see that I'm pressing her hair straight. And woo, look at that shine, baby. Look at it, diamonds. Look at, honey, listen. If you want creamy crack, it won't kill your hair. Come to me. Hair by Abby. I got you.